Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. So, looks like stock market is opening right now. So yeah, let's see how things go. On the day, up a little bit. Starting the day, we just on Nvidia we crossed up to the upside. That's good. Looking to see if we can lock in a higher high than or get a close above 138.32 on the 15. Mythro Lunas, good morning. Good morning. Happy to have you here, family. Victoria, Manuel, good morning. Happy to see you stop through. Yes, what a blessing. Ooh. So let's see. Jello, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, so I think let me check the data real quick. I think we just actually got some data in. Let's see. All right, so we get consumer confidence in about 30 minutes along with new home sales and Richmond manufacturing. Then we got the Fed about midway through the day. All right, Nvidia is looking good to start the day. I'm gonna have to check in on the options from yesterday. Jorman, good morning. Fox Fly, good morning. Mass 3DRC, good morning. Philip, good morning. Oh, that's a big wick. I need this candle to close out strong, or at least above. If it closes out where it is now, I'm cool with it. All right, so looking at my Nvidia calls, forgot to mention it, but I scooped up one more at 63 yesterday. So my average cost on those Nvidia calls dropped a little bit. Average cost is 76. Looking at the SPY call, down on the SPY call, but still got some time. SoFi down on. Here, let's see. Gas Session Media, good morning. Corey, good morning. Tatiana took a 147 call on Nvidia. Hey, love to hear it. I hope your calls end up in the money. So our calls are like deep in the money. What expiration did you get, Tatiana? Yeah, let's just remember it's a short week, Thanksgiving week. Hoping we get that slow melt up that we usually get. Says sold that in. Okay, hey, way to lock in profit, Philip. Yeah, towards the end of the day and like in the pre-market, it wasn't looking so hot. Or after hours. Okay, you got it for Friday. Yeah, hopefully it ends up in the money before then. Andy, good morning. You said playing a quick bump. Yeah, honestly, if we get a quick run up to like 140 or even this 200 EMA right here on the 15, yeah, I'll probably sell out at two of mine. Just let one run. Yeah, we're actually making that move right now. Let me just kind of prepare, take profit on that. It's like it's kind of like we're just waiting on stuff right now. All right, yeah, it's making that push. It's making that push. Oh no, now it's trying to come back down. I'm gonna need them to keep pushing it. Let me get out. Make things nice and easy. It's like every time I try to go to take profits, they don't want to make the profits or leave the profits there for me. Oh, whoever I wanted to share something. So whoever called what is it? It is QBTS. So that touched the trend line this morning, and I picked up some shares at like 262. So I'm actually go on and set like a stop loss for it. Dorothy, good morning. Let's see. Hakeem, good morning. Oh, Philip, that was you? Hey, appreciate it. Let's see if we can get above this right here and actually get an uptrend going. Yeah, because I was looking at the 4 hour chart. And yeah, if you look at the 4 hour chart, I was like, yo, whenever we touch this trend line, that would be a good entry. It's still like oversold up here, but yeah, if it wants to go for some more, I won't be mad. He said I need to get some of those too. How do you think the SPY will do today? So we'll see about the SPY. We have some data dropping in 23 minutes. We got consumer confidence. We got and then we have the FOMC meeting or FOMC minutes, like before, like 2 hours before market close. So we'll have to see. Quantum stocks are popping. Yeah, we let them pop. Let them go crazy. I will definitely be cool with that. Oh, one other thing I wanted to here. Let me add this to my list real quick, just so we can come back to it. But one other thing that I was looking at this morning that looked interesting. So Meta is right here at this trend line, right? So this could potentially be a good time to what is it? Play the breakout. We'll have to see. You know, the last I don't know how many times it's kind of broke. You know, it's just continued the trend, and this is a 4 hour chart. But we just got like a little fake out here. Normally, when you get fake outs this close together, it'll lead to an actual like breakout. So, yo, if this actually is something right here, I could see it going to at least 586. But I'm not gonna act on it. But I could see that happening. All right, so oh, they don't want to let it happen with Nvidia. Bring the SPY back up over here. Yeah, they're trying to sell it off. All right, so let's see. Morning, Matthew. Time to take the donut or make the donut. I'm assuming that's supposed to be bread or dough. Maybe you're saying make the dough. I don't know. Big candle on SoFi. It's like a big candle on everything right now. It looks like. Oh, big bullish candle. Okay. Yeah, SoFi needs to go back up. Casey Bass, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, they're selling off Nvidia. Let me look at it on the 5. All right, so still like holding above the 200, so I'm not tripping too much right now. Let's make that bread. Yeah, let's get this bread, family. If the stock market wants to cooperate and do what it's supposed to do, hey, the bread it'll come. I'm gonna take a quick look at what is it? Can't think of. So we got the VIX drop down to 1420. I was kind of trying to make a move back up. I'm gonna need that to chill out. Take a look at SMCI. Good little pullback to start the day. I'm not trading it, but just thought I'd bring it to your attention. Dang, Nvidia has me thinking I should have sold. Hold on, actually, hold up. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Dang. Yeah, that might have been my opportunity for Nvidia. It's like we're not at my stop loss, but I'm gonna see how consumer confidence comes through because it's selling it off kind of hard right now. Go back to a 15. I mean, we did just cross out on the upside though, and we did just reset the RSI, so that's good too. You just got here. How much are you up for the day? I was up, but I'm pretty sure me being up has been erased because of this move on Nvidia. Said you took your loss, you're out. I probably should do that. I'm gonna watch the EMAs for now. Are you doing options? Yeah, I'm doing options. I actually have some shares I picked up today too. Might need to sell out these shares or set a stop real quick just so that I don't go negative on these shares as well. All right. That way I'm stopped in profit. Okay. My short spy. Jonathan, good morning. Bud being patient. Suggestion on which options? I don't have any suggestions right now. It's like if you have anything you're looking at, feel free to ask, but I don't have any suggestions. Let's see. You said, but it still looks bullish. Oh, you're talking about the SPY. Yeah, I know on the 4 hour it still looks bullish. Like you would expect it to keep going up. Let's look at Nvidia again. Clear that out. I'm gonna drop this down to about right there. What do you think about options? That's a very broad question. I don't even know how to answer that, honestly. What do I think about Tesla? I think Tesla is I think it's a good stock. I have it in my long term. Hey, just know the more specific your question is, the more specific the answer I can give. But it's like some of these like super broad questions might get some super basic answers just because it's like I don't even know where to go or know what you're looking for. Looking at Netflix, let's see. Maybe I'll look at Netflix. Oh, yeah, Netflix has a good little pop to start the day. 1 hour, 30 minutes. Oh, yeah, they just bought up. What's up? Fact of the day: Netflix is not expected to be negatively impacted by proposed tariffs. Oh, so that might be something right there. You know, because their stuff's online, they don't have any negative impact from the tariffs. Spy is not moving. So yeah, Spy's not moving, but we have data coming in 13 minutes, so that could cause a move. A lot of times, it'll just stay pinned in one spot until we actually have reason for it to not be pinned. IWM. Looks very choppy right now. On the 4 hours consolidating, we already filled in our gap. But right now, IWM looks like it's taking a breather. So nothing much going on with IWM right now. Grab the 905 call on Netflix. Hey, I hope Netflix goes crazy for you. Honestly, it could. I have to keep an eye on that. What do you think about the Honest Company? Man, I think I'm upset that I sold my shares at like $4. I like rode from like $1 to $4 on Honest. Let's see where it's at right now. Yeah, very upset. I'm still waiting for it to pull back to this trend line, so I think it's riding a wave that I'm not sure how long it can sustain this, but I just want to catch it on the trend line. Let me extend that out. Yeah, it's got momentum on it though. Yeah, but I think grabbing an option at a trendline pullback, hey, that could be some money. AMD. So I kind of covered this one on the watch list this morning. They broke the trend line I had drawn. So you would expect them to come to the last touch point, which is about 139. But then there's also a gap that needs to be filled to about 180.53. So that's why I see on AMD. You saying we have data coming in from where? So website, Forex Factory. And you can see this is kind of the chart for the week. Today is Tuesday. It's currently 9:50 a.m. I guess Eastern Standard Time. 10 a.m. Consumer confidence, new home sales, Richmond Manufacturing Index, and then at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have FOMC minutes. Usually, whenever you see a red folder, that's going to be high impact expected on the markets. Orange is going to be kind of medium, so we could get some volume in from this. But once again, it's also a low volume week, so yeah, be on the lookout for that. So the SPY is still, it's kind of trying to push up. See if we can, let's see if we can take out what is it? 106 today. Or 601 today. Had that backwards. Quick 36, hit stop loss. Rocket Lab pumping today. Glad got some calls. Let's see how that's doing. Oh yeah. Sure is pumping. Hold up, I saw some on Derive yesterday. Kind of curious. Let me see if I can find those. Oh, it even has like this little thing. It says oh no, that's for optimization. Let's see. Oh, they had some for a call on yeah, Netflix Derive called one on Netflix yesterday too. It had a 9:50 call for December 6th. I'm curious how much that is right now. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's increased since they added that. All right, so let's see. RLP, good morning. Chase, good morning. Took what the market gave me, sold out SoFi, play, then grabbed some Rivian calls at a $12 strike, sold them at 40. Skittles, good morning. Where did you say that gap fill was? Let's see. Let's go back to AMD. I want to say it was about 138.50, but let me take a look. All right, so AMD, there's a gap fill down to 138.50. So it's almost there. Let's see where it is on the 4 hour. 4 hours still shows about 138.50. So Derek, I have the same resistance. Yeah, right there at 601. I'm hoping we can break past that today. Yeah, we kind of did lock in a higher high on that video though. I think we could end up pushing up some more. Nuna, what time frame are you looking at when you say you see that double top on the SPY? Because on the 15, I see a double bottom as well. But on the 4 hour, oh, I see an uptrend. SoFi trying to push, I bought. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, SoFi is trying to push. Okay. Yeah, let's let it go ahead. Let's let it let me see what Derive had. Let me check their screener real quick. See if I can pull it up over here too. I don't know why my computer does not for some reason my Chrome doesn't like Derive. But it's like just my Chrome. It works on other people's, but I don't know what's up. Derive has a short on the Qs. All right, well, it's 70 watching and 13 likes. Let's go. You see 13, I see 12. Hey. Yeah, it'd be nice to get the likes up, but all right, now I see 13. Let's see. I was looking on Robinhood app on the daily, but I will look. Oh, hold on. Yeah, let's check out the daily. SPY. I see what you're talking about. Yeah, we have the potential for a double top. Honestly, it just depends on what happens right here. Yeah, it's like if we go on and we make new highs, it's not a double top. It's just more of a continuation. But if we end up kind of beaking down, then yeah, it's a double top. Oh, you got the 16.5 strike. Okay. No, hold up. Let's look at Amazon. Amazon is they're kind of up today. Yeah, depending on how this next candle closes in the next hour and 40 minutes, we might have a change of character on the 1 hour. Or actually, we kind of got one down here, but new high on the 1 hour though. Oh shit, we're up to 22 likes now. Look at y'all. Y'all do know how to show support. Appreciate y'all. All right, yeah, we got about 50 seconds till we got this consumer confidence and the other data. Let's see. Yeah, we got right here. Loading up. New home sales. It'll take a little bit like to get the reaction. Let me go back to a 5-minute chart. Bring the SPY up over here. "100 likes and YouTube will make you famous." Oh, it's all good. I don't need fame, but hey. Actually, I don't even think I would want fame. Okay, I see the SPY. Oh, okay. That 5-minute candle looked kind of violent for a second there. Volume is so low right now. It's looking like we're pushing down. Let me see how it came in. Let's see if it's consumer confidence came in line. New home sales went down. I don't know. I don't really know how to read the manufacturing index. I'll have to learn how to do that. Let's see. Hold on. SPY doesn't. Yeah, it's trading sideways, so could be waiting. Could just be waiting for the FOMC minutes 2 hours before close today. Let's see. Hey, how are you going to watch it? This speech? Honestly, I'm probably not gonna watch it. I'm not gonna be live. I'm for sure not gonna be live when it happens. But honestly, I'll probably be on a run whenever that comes out. If we're being real, so it's like what I do is I just set alerts. But usually, if you want to watch the Fed and stuff like that, let me see. Hold on 1 second. Usually you can go to YouTube and type in, you probably won't see anything right now, but usually there will be some way to watch it around that time. There's often like a CNBC or something like that you'll be able to watch it on, and they usually have it live. That's usually a good way to do it. Sounds like you're eating a Snickers. Oh, not quite Snickers. I typically like usually if you hear something in my mouth in the mornings, it's more like a oatmeal or something. Oh, more of like a breakfast food. Actually, I don't know what breakfast food looks like in Vietnam. What kind of food do you have for breakfast out there? Is breakfast a thing out there? All right, so yeah, we're kind of just holding up at a level. We're probably going to consolidate unless we here. Let me zoom out. Let's go back out to a 15. All right, the SPY looks like it wants to consolidate. I will say, like, if you look at this 13, it is holding this 13 EMA, like the trend. So the actual like body of the candle could potentially hold this for the day. We can see. So yeah, we'll just have to see. Rodolfo, I'm gonna watch it. So that's hey, it could be educational. It's like one thing like when it comes to watching it, it's like listen to what is said and actually do they even so the FOMC minutes is those are usually like that's usually kind of just like the what is it? Kind of like the report of what they said or like the transcript or what they said during their meeting. So I'm not 100% that there's going to be anything live to watch, but it's possible. Like even if you type in FOMC minutes live, um, CNBC, they might be live reacting to it, so that might help with interpretation. All right, so we're trying to hold up. Want to do a quick check on Meta, see how it's looking. All right, Meta's still it's still kind of going. Let me see if there's anything just crazy for Meta or just cheap for Meta. That's just You said checkouts. No, yeah, we can do that in a second. I'm just checking the pricing on options for. Nah, I don't like the options pricing on Meta, or at least not for what I was looking for. Oh, I think I'm probably about to get stopped out on QBTS. Let's see. What is snow? Here, let's see. Oh yeah, let me clear this out of the way. So right now it's like flagging up. Let's go to a 1 hour. It's kind of consolidating upward. I don't think there's like really much to say about it right now. There is like there's a small gap down to this 138 level, but looking at the RSI, it's oversold, but it's just right now it's just chilling. Looks like it'll have a drop at some point, but question is when. Let's see. You said think I missed the re-entry on Netflix. Let's see, where's Netflix? Yeah, maybe. Let's see. IDAI. Oh yeah, got some pumping going on here. Does ACHR look bullish to you? What time frame do you look on? Or are you talking about? Okay, so ACHR is. Wait, what did we say about this yesterday? Okay, so we did. Wait, this was. Wait, today's Tuesday. So this was this morning. So it kind of had its pullback this morning. Tatiana, are you still here? Wait, hold up. No, it was Skittles and Tatiana that played on this. So it looks like we ended up getting a pullback to the first trend line. So that was kind of an opportunity to cut out. It's probably a little bit faster than we were hoping for, but that was an opportunity right there. But as of right now, it's like yes, it looks bullish, but it's also possible that it could come down to this next trend line or could kind of trade sideways until it comes and touches the trend line. So I don't know. Skittles, I appreciate when you say I don't know. Oh yeah, yeah. No, yeah. I don't like to just blow steam out of my head like yo, there was this one time I used to work at Walmart like when I was in college. And there was this one dude, like one time somebody came up to me and like one of my coworkers, they asked like where something was. And normally whenever people asked me where something was, I would like walk with them over there and talk with them and stuff. But he just blurted out like a random aisle. And I'm like, dude, how'd you know what aisle that was on? And he's like, I didn't. I just said a random aisle. I was like, bro, homie was like, he was like wilding. So I was like, hey, yo, there's different people. But my thing is like, yo, we're still like, the store is big, but it's not that big. It's like they're gonna come back and they're gonna find you. and they're gonna like complain, and I don't know. My hot play I grabbed VC at 305. Oh, okay. Oh, you grabbed it over here. I mean, it's moving. It's cool. Let's check in on this. Okay, so the SPY is still. We're still kind of just consolidating. You know, the market's kind of boring to me today. Let's see. Battery died and catching up. Okay. Breakfast in Vietnam is fun. Okay. Rice soup, porridge, oatmeal, banana. Okay. Solid. Uh, Angel, right now it looks bullish. It's just ACHR is it's in an uptrend, so you would expect the trend to continue. It's like you could get a pullback, but even if it pulls back to this trend line, it's still bullish until honestly it's bullish as long as it stays above $6. What do you think about SMCI? Right now, SMCI is trash that I would not trade personally. Or it's like I might trade it, but I don't like SMCI right now. It's like there was a point I had it in like my long-term portfolio, but it's like I don't trust it. Right now there kind of is like on a 15 minute. I see this trend right here. But yeah, I'm not a fan. Uh JL, good morning. Good morning. INTC. Let's see. Reflecting. I don't see anything that looks good for them. I don't. Let's see. Analog surges. Oh, that's Barron's. Yeah, I don't have nothing to say about INTC. What do you think about Sava long term? I'm not familiar with it. Ooh, here let's zoom out a little bit. As of right now, things aren't looking good. I'm just looking for from a technical standpoint. So is this a okay? So it's a biotech play. I mean, it's biotech, so all they need is like, okay, so I see it announced something about an Alzheimer trial did not meet key objectives. Long term, when it comes to biotech plays, all it takes is one drug, one medicine, and things could be completely different. So it's like right now, it's not there. But if I hear like, oh, they're starting to see promise for whatever this Alzheimer's drug is, hey, that's big. So it's like, but right now, it's like when it comes to long term, it's not anything I would mess with long term because the trade is 100% hope. It's like there are a bunch of other biotechs that you could get into as well that are like a bunch of hope right now too. So it really just kind of comes down to what you're looking at. $8 or $9 billion. So yeah, I saw something about that. It didn't say the dollar amount when I was just looking at it, but it said something about not taking loans. I don't know. Let's see. Let me re-look at it one more time. Receives 7.8 billion in CHIPS Act funding, but says it won't take federal loans. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. It's like that could be something to that could be something for the long term, like if you want to start positioning into Intel. But like right now, yeah, the market doesn't care about it. What do you think about Rum? So Rum to me is it's a meme stock that's right now is not profitable. It doesn't. Oh, it's like we looked at it yesterday, and it is kind of in an uptrend, but beyond just like trading it, I don't really have any thoughts about it. I think it's in an uptrend right now, and I think trading either the bounce or the break of this trend line could produce some money. If we get a break of this trend line, the next level I'm looking for is going to be right here at 642. If we get a bounce, I'm going to look for it to take out 780. What about AI? Are you talking about C3 AI, like this AI? Let's see. Uh, I'm gonna say like the actual stock is overvalued. Like what they do is not they don't actually do anything special, to my knowledge. Um, I think it's just bullish because of AI hype. Okay, so I definitely got kicked out of that. Should have got kicked out of QBTS. Let me check in on that real quick. Make sure I got stopped out. I got stopped out. Let me make sure it stopped me out in profit. Yeah, took profit on that. We're good. Thanks for the reply. I just put in call option that breaks even at 75. Okay. Which one? Oh, ACHR. Okay. Hey, there's definitely some potential for that. So yeah, definitely potential for it to do its thing. Up 63% on ACHR. Oh yeah, that looks good. Um, also, hey, all I would say Skittles is hey, 63% is nice. All I'm gonna say is like you rinse and repeat. Maybe you pick up some shares. I'm just gonna say that's nice. That's a nice profit. That's all I'm gonna say. Just made 69 on SPY puts. Let me see how the SPY is looking. Yo, the market is very boring right now. Oh, and there's a gap down to 596. Hey, congrats on your $69 though. What do you think of Google for the rest of the year? How has Google done this year? So what, they started the year around 140. I'm not sure if they'll push to highs, but I think they will close the year higher than they are now. But I don't think I don't have any crazy expectations for them or anything. Lucky J, good morning. You know we gotta send our emote. Let's see. Hey, shoot that one in there. Yeah, it's a nail biter right now. We're looking at NVIDIA on the 30. Oh, on the 30, it doesn't look as nice. Yeah, I'm definitely like biting. Oh, hold up. I just thought about something. One thing I did not think about, like, I know I like said this like 50 billion times yesterday, but this is a shortened week, so the theta burns out faster too. I didn't think about the fact that like you have one less day, so it's like me holding a contract today is more like me holding a contract on a Wednesday. And not only do we have like one less day, it's like also you got like a half day on Friday, so yeah, didn't even think about that. I mean, I kind of did, but I didn't. Yeah, we could just be pinned here. What's a good theta score that so honestly the lower the better, but when it comes to theta, one thing that I love to is it's not like it's not a must for my trades, but if I am going to most of the time if I'm going to swing something, I want to see my theta or not theta, I want to see my delta higher than my theta, or I want to see that my theta is not too high. So here, let's see. Yeah, right now, like with Nvidia, I'm going to be out of this by the end of the day because unless it gets closer to the money, I'm going to be out of Nvidia by the end of the day because my delta is now lower than my theta. The theta is 22 and the delta is like just under 19. So it's not really working for me as much as I would like. Took my Oh yeah, that's good right there. You can buy some more shares if you want. IWM dumping, let's see. Oh yeah, it's making a move down. But we see IWM touch this trend line over here. Hey, that could be some money right there. And let's check out the PCE. Where is it? All right, so we got the PCE rising. So we got some people putting in for puts. I would like to see the PCE jump up. That way they feel a little bit better about running the calls. Let's see the VIX. We're like selling off on the VIX. Yeah, this is why Thanksgiving Thanksgiving week is like a no-go. There's like no volume. Like we have nothing really pushing these stocks anywhere. It's like I wanna stick around and like see Nvidia like kind of melt up, but I don't think it's gonna move fast enough. I'm probably gonna have to cut out because yeah, it's like we're getting no volume, and those contracts are just gonna lose. I might roll them. Yeah, I might look and see if I can roll my contracts out. Oh, okay. You can't roll in a cash account. Let me see if it'll let me switch to margin. I have positions open, so normally it wouldn't. Oh, okay. Let me no. No, I don't think it. Hold up. Let me see if it let me switch to a margin. Oh yeah, I definitely have a margin account now. So yeah, I think I'm gonna roll my contracts. Let's see, roll them out a week, move them a little further out the money. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm rolling to the 150s. So I might have to share that to the Discord. I know a lot of people aren't going to know what's going on, but yeah, I paid $18 to roll my Nvidia contracts because that was not looking like it was going to happen. Let me look at this SoFi too. Since I'm over here, let's roll. Let's see. Let's look at December 20th. Oh no, let's look at the 13th. Nah, still. Yeah, I'll go for the 17th for next week. And I'm just rolling because these contracts. Oh, it's like I feel like I don't have enough time. The spy call, I'm gonna leave. But yeah, it's like I just the date on the contracts they didn't seem right, so I'm gonna roll my plays. Let me update the Discord real quick. All right, SoFi at 20 by. Oh, we'll see. I was just looking for SoFi to be at 15 by the end of the year, so it's already done what I wanted it to do. We'll see. Average down on my VC. Y'all could have gotten better entry than me. SPY seems bullish and bearish today, so yeah. Honestly, bullish and bearish is hey, that's trading sideways. So it's like I'm like, yo, let me I'll take the time. So yeah, let me shoot those screenshots to the Discord real quick. rolled out NVIDIA calls 1 week to get more time. Paid, what I pay? I paid like, I think it was 6. All right, let me share that in the other one. Oh, wait. Yeah, I kind of feel better now that I have more time on those NVIDIAs. This morning was my time to get out. Didn't get out quick enough though. All right, so let's see. Jumped in on a call on C3AI for a quick scalp. Here, let me say this now. I'm gonna be real. I don't think this is it's not a good time to trade. I would say if you're not in anything, especially if you don't have time on anything, yo, take your money, enjoy your day. Like, I don't think the stock market is where it's at right now. Like, at least this week, or at least not trading. If you see any pullbacks on some good stocks, like, yo, take the pullback and invest in the pullback. But I don't think there is too much excitement to be had this week. Honestly, even after we get to FOMC minutes today, I don't think we're going to see too much. I do think we'll close the. Bro, are you watching GME right now? No, let's see it. I have been like seeing it kind of like creep up a little bit. Oh, okay. This is where everyone is. Actually, the volume's not even that crazy. It's like it's going up, but the volume's not like insane or anything. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's melting up a little bit. We can look at it. Been waiting for it to crack 30. Oh yeah, let's actually zoom out. Let's go to a weekly. Yeah, so it did have some resistance at this level. It just got above. Let's go down to a 4-hour. It's 34. Here, let's see. It's about to run. Yeah, it might start to run. Maybe. I'm not sure how I feel about it necessarily going crazy today or this evening, but yo, it could be about to run. Love what you're doing, man. Just lost a little bit on APLD call. Let's see. Hold on. What? Oh, it's over here. Okay. So right here, I do see like it has a nice trend. We're on the 4-hour, but yeah, I see it has a nice trend kind of going forward that I would maybe draw about right there. Yeah, I would make it look something like that, and see if we could watch this EMA down to the 10. See if it wants to come a little bit further. There is a demand zone down here at 950. So just give it this time. Let it pull back. We got the RSI cooling off. But yeah, my thoughts are needs to just do a little pullback. Nothing crazy, but once we get like a retest of this trend line, hey, you can watch for new highs. Lots of profit taking on Bitcoin. Yeah. Let them take the profits. I wanna see Bitcoin, or I want to see Coinbase come down like a lot more. And I would like to see Mara come down a lot more as well. Why do some stocks only show monthly and no weekly options? So that's just when they have their contracts that expire. So some stocks only have quarterly, so they'll only have them four times a year. I don't exactly know why specifically. Like, I think that's just when they choose to do them. They may not really get a crazy amount of volume for those contracts, so they have them occur less sporadically, so more people flock to those. That would make sense to me. But one thing to know, like, since you see that some only have monthly, if you've ever heard like of a quad witching, that's going to be whenever all the options contracts expire on the same day. So like whenever you have the ones that expire quarterly, monthly, weekly, and daily all happening on a Friday, that's a quad witching. And when you get it with all of those except for the quarterly, that's the triple witching. And usually on those days you'll get more volatility in options and sometimes bigger movement, but also sometimes just, a lot crazier manipulation. So, did Palantir enter NASDAQ? Yes, they did, because this morning I had a Palantir chart on. Here, if we take a look, here, let me see if I can show y'all. So, Palantir, I had to adjust my chart because you can see right here at the top, it shows Palantir 4H and it says NASDAQ. It was New York Stock Exchange, and this, there was like the little trading view ghost or whatever, because they were no longer on New York Stock Exchange. You've heard of it, and it seems like a bad day overall. It can be either a bloodbath or it can be like a day they push it to the moon with the stocks. Honestly, it just depends on the day. Let's go. I've been holding it from $8. I'm gonna keep holding. Yeah. I would. Yeah. As long as the trend is still in play, the trend is your friend. What was your rollover stick for? Strike. So it was 150. Yeah, that seemed like the most appropriate strike for the time and whatnot. Is because it's like I feel that I could see Nvidia coming higher, but I don't. It doesn't look like it wants to do it yet. And it's like it could happen at the end of this week, but if it happens at the end of this week, it's like there's not enough time. Is IWM turning over? Let's see. What time frame are you looking at? So right now, do see like a maybe not. Let's go to 1 hour. I can't just draw like a clean trend on IWM. Let's actually, what if I? No, yeah, I can't just draw like a clean trend on IWM. 5 minutes. Right now, I would want to see a high above on the 5 minute. I would like to see. So we got a low. Yeah, I would like to see them make a new high above like 240.75 before I start looking for upside. If I were basing it off the 5 minute chart. What trades are you currently making? So right now I'm not like seeing anything that looks good, but I'm currently in like I just rolled my Nvidia trade out to next week, so I have a 150 call on Nvidia that expires next week, and then I have a call on the SPY. I think it's a 611 call that expires December 6th. And then I have, what is it? I have a $17 call on SoFi that expires December 6th as well. By trying to test that range. Here, let's see. Yeah, SPY is. Yeah, we're finding support at this 48 EMA. It's like we're coming down to touch the 48 EMA, but also still kind of holding up on the 13 if you look at the body of each candle. Mahishu, good morning, good morning. Yo, everything is like big chilling today. Even Netflix came back. I think next year I'm taking this week off. That seems like the thing to do. Like everyone said, oh, it's Thanksgiving or Thanksgiving week. I'm going home. Honestly, probably what they should do, but this week, yeah, 100%. It is definitely not great for options, and it seems like most of the volatility is like right there at market open. Are you full-time trading? Not just trading though. It's like I'm full-time supported by the internet, but no, it's not just trading. Trading is some of it. He said, take the rest of the week off. Nah, don't. I feel a sense of purpose from this Skittles. So it's like I don't know. It feels good, like coming here. It's just the market is a little boring right now. Derived call for IWM. Oh, let's see. Forgot to look at Derived. Let's see. All right, so it appears to be a position trade. It's expecting okay, the target is 252. It's a 247 call strike, 125. I don't have the balance for it right now, but I'll add it to the watch list to see how it does. Let's see. Oh, actually I do. I just switched to a margin account, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm still not sure I want to like actually do it right now. Actually, it's a low key. I have a margin account that kind of changes some things. No, I'm gonna just stick with what I'm doing right now. I'm doing this to make it like kind of followable, replicatable. So let's see. Let's see. You said full time getting money. Hey, that's what we try to do. Get money full time. Yo, let me say this right now. If you don't make any money while you sleep, hey, you'll have to work the rest of your life. So if I can put y'all on to anything, if you're not already on, yo, find some sort of way to make money while you sleep. It's like I don't know. It was some years back that I don't know. This concept was introduced to me. Do you use level 2 in trading? With a margin account, yeah. Not all the time, but yeah. I probably won't do too much of that on here. I would need to have some tutorials in first. Like throw up some more like updated tutorials. I have like older ones on my channel, but I think I would want to throw some more updated ones first. But yeah, I do. He says, Skills, that's a W. Or Skill says, that's a W. Thank you. Hey, appreciate that. Or you're welcome. And thank you. Let's see. He said, don't think I want it. I think it's solid. Here, let's look at IWM one more time. No, yeah, I would love to see it like retest this trend line first, but so yeah, there might be a better entry for it potentially, but I think it's solid. When I'm sleeping, NVIDIA engineers are, hey, that's 100% it right there. So yeah, like going back to that idea, that's exactly why I initially got into the stock market, because it's like, I mean, you can make money with dividends. I don't think making money with dividends is the best if you don't have much income or if you need it right away, but you can make money with dividends. You can buy stocks low and they can increase in value over time. But, making money while you sleep is cool. I remember when I made my first dollar online, yo, I was kind of pumped. I definitely need to dedicate some time and money into earning while I sleep. No, yeah, 100% because that's that's how you buy your freedom. Would you say your long term IE holding is your way to? Yeah, I would say that's a good way to do it, especially if you're working. So it's like I don't think you should just not work. I think you should work. I think you should provide value to the world and provide, I don't know, do something that makes you feel purposeful. Sometimes you work a job just to get money. Like spent a good I spent a good time at like working places like Whataburger, Amazon, Walmart, places like that. It's like I wouldn't say they were the most fulfilling jobs, but it's like yo, I was getting a check, and it's like I was like working towards something. And I don't know. It's like if you can contribute to your long term while you're doing that, then whenever it comes time, like maybe you're like really stressing your life, you need to take some time off. Maybe you decide, oh, I want to move here or take a trip or do whatever. It's like you have the freedom to do that. Like you're not stuck in a position. So it's like it helps. He said, take a peek at HSAI. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's going crazy. So yeah, it's going crazy. Let's leave this up. I could use some excitement in what I'm watching right now. But Andy, what are some suggestions to make money while you sleep? YouTube content. Oh yeah, 100%. I would say get into that. That opens the door to a lot of things. Over time, it'll build confidence. Over time, it'll build an audience. It'll like you'll find friends and whatnot. And no, it's cool. Like you don't even necessarily have to do YouTube. It could be Instagram. It could be like any platform with any kind of following is like the better you are at like showing who it is you truly are, is like you'll make some great friends and meet some pretty cool people that you didn't even know existed. And it's like over time, like the more you are, companies will start reaching out to you. You know, they might start asking to partner with certain things, and oh, it's like there's a lot that can go on, but yeah, there's so many places you can make money, and it's like there are probably things that you can do that other people can't, and it's like there are probably ways you can provide value to a lot of people, but it's like hard to reach those people because you don't know where they are. But if you're already just doing it, people will start reaching out to you to kind of learn from you or like receive your help or whatnot. So that's kind of how I fell into things. It's like just kind of doing it. And it's crazy. I got on YouTube and oh wait, happy trading guys back to work. Yeah, Philip, enjoy your day, man. Enjoy your day, cause you're not missing out too much here. Oh yeah, y'all heard Philip's last request. Hit that like. Could you do a tutorial on how to chart? Dorothy, I actually have like I would say I have a solid amount on my channel. Like I have like 3 or 4 on just how to chart. So I can like link them. Oh, no problem, Andy. But yeah, I can here, let me go through my channel and just like kinda I'll post some like in this chat right now. Here, let's see. So I got so the last one, this one is like a full on like this is like a full on comprehensive like you could watch this video. Ooh, appreciate that Skittles. Hey, thanks for hey, appreciate that Skittles. Hey, that's what's up. All up. So here, let's see. Could you? Okay, so Dorothy, that link I just sent, that's a full on video on how to, like, you'll have how to chart in there that shows how to set up uh trading view and all that. And yeah, the stuff is like every everything is like is linked in the chapters. Like it is labeled so you can skip around. But the whole video to me is like straight fire. Yeah, thanks Skittles, appreciate that. Hey, that pair is popping like his energy. All right, you're an amazing person sitting here talking to everyone. Love your appreciate you, Angel. IWM went over 240s. Yes, it did. Let's see. Oh wait, hold on, wrong chart. What time frame did I say that on? There was like a time frame I was looking. Oh, on the 5, yeah. So yeah, it did that. So now on the 5 minute, it's in an uptrend on the 5 minute. It's like I would, you would like to see what is it? Like to see some sort of pullback, but doesn't mean you necessarily need to. Now it would have been different if you had on the 1 minute been charting on the 1 minute, then you probably would have taken your entry on this candle right here or at the close of this one. And then you could have been in. I mean, you could still be riding right now. And like each one of these little reversals, each one of these levels you're looking at to get taken out. So we just took this one out. Next level is over here at 241.52. If we end up taking that out, next one you're looking for is 241.82. We take that out. You just keep kind of moving it up. But yeah, right now, trend's going nice and strong. Hey, looking good on IWM. But yeah, it's like really just depends on like what you're looking for and how you're kind of going for it. All right, Lucky J. Oh yeah, let me shoot another one of these in there. Let's go. Shoot the little fish in there. All right. So SPY looks like it's trying to like show that it's moving higher. Like it's definitely trying. It's just moving too slow. Skittles, I keep going to like click on the little thing you sent. What about QBTS? So I got stopped out of that. Oh, it went back up. Yeah, let's look at that. So yeah, I got stopped out in profit on that. I made $5 on it. On the 4 hour, it looks good to go still, but it's like I was in and out on that. It's like just because of everything else I was in, I was like, yo, let me how do I say? I was like, yeah, let me just set my stop loss, and if it wants to keep moving up, let me ride it up, but it doesn't want to move up at the pace to let me just ride it up like that, so I got kicked out. All right, let's do a chart check again. Yeah, IWM looks good on the 4 hour. Oh, that's a 15-minute. My bad. SPY, Qs. Yeah, IWM does not look as good on the 4 hour. Jesse, what's up, bro? How come Palantir ain't showing? So it changed its listing. So now you gotta search for Palantir again. It's now under the NASDAQ. It was listed under in like the New York Stock Exchange. Now it's under NASDAQ. So it's there. It's just like the old one. You have to take off your watch list and put the new one on just because it changed its listing. Let's off to work. Thanks for your nuggets. Hey, enjoy your time at work, Master DRC. Let's see. All right, so let's see. Coming here looking at the votes, I see we are 54% green, 28% red, and 18% break even. Okay. Let's see how we're looking today. All right, so little green on the SPY, little green on the Qs, little red on the IWM. Oh, you know what? Meta's still kind of moving. This interested to see how this ends up closing, but yeah, that wasn't a bad entry for like a little bit of movement. It's not like popping like too crazy right now. Let me go to a daily chart. Yeah, there's still a gap there on the daily. Just look at the weekly. Still got a fair value gap down to like 527 on the weekly. And then kind of also looking at things, we have this trend line to pull back to, so I'm still looking for that as well. So I'm not like tripping too much about Meta deciding to possibly break out right now. Let's see. Derive has Google contracts on it. Let's see. Let me check that out. All right, so Google 172 call strike. All right, let's see what that expires next week. Hey, I might. Hey, that looks like it's in my range. Let's see. Take a look at that. They said the target is 169.38. It's already pretty close. Let's see. Wait, oh, that's this week. I was about to say those are really cheap. Oh, they've kind of already gone up a little bit though. See the IWM. I think I like the IWM more. Hold on 1 second, y'all. IWM closed with 20% profit. Hey, love to hear it, family. Yeah, you got that pullback. Let's look back on the 5 minute real quick. Let's see what we saw in here. Yeah, solid. Yeah, hit that 200 EMA. Got a pullback. I mean, it could still continue on, but definitely not a bad spot to take profit because you don't know if it's gonna pull back too much. All right, hold up. Okay, so let's see. I'm worried about that pink line above. Oh yeah, that's the 200 EMA. So yeah, that's going to be the next area we have trouble getting above. But yeah, it's on the lower time frame. It's not as big of a deal, but that's a good price to take profit. You do trades every day. I don't necessarily take trades every day. I'll usually look at the stock market at some point though, every day. And if you mean I'm live every day, if the market's open, yeah, right now, yeah, I'm live every day. Here, oh yeah, that thing has left Earth. It's very far gone. And bring it back to the SPY though. SPY is it's just slowly pushing up. Go back to a 15. Yeah, on the 15, we've been riding this all day on the 15. So we opened, I guess, right at 598, 90 or 74. Now we're all the way up at 599.32. Wow. Talk about volatility. Yeah, got a good little pullback right here on the IWM. Definitely took profit at a good point right there. Looks like it's trying to find some support, but we'll see how it does. Yeah, volume is just so low today. Here, let's go to a 15. Pound here like hasn't really moved at all today. SPY hasn't moved. Q's barely moved. IWM got a little bit. Tesla had like a quick little run and still not doing much. Actually, they're kind of respecting their 13 on a 5, it looks like. They had a little run up, I guess. Meta's doing this little breakout. AMD is falling. NVIDIA playing with us. Palantir. Oh, we already talked about that. SoFi. PayPal. Yeah, this is really kind of just like, whoa. I think I hear someone like drilling something or something. It's just like kind of loud. Ooh. Okay, what else we have going on? Yeah, we got the dollar rising a little bit. Google kind of easing up. PCE. Oxy is back below 50. Yo, it's just one of those days. Maybe one of those weeks. But I'm not going to say it's one of those months. Hymns, let's see. All right, so hymns, let's zoom out. Don't really think I had like a good trend line on. Oh, they're doing well on the 4 hour. I don't really have much to say about it. Might try to draw that, but oh, nothing to really say. It's like I might play like support and resistance on hymns because let's go to the weekly. Oh, so it's at all time highs pretty much. Let's see what the RSI is looking like. Currently showing oversold. Yeah, right now I would just kind of look at the EMAs. Not really getting too much on the 15 because it's consolidating. 30, maybe see how it responds at their support at around this kind of $29 area. So we'll see how it holds up there. But I don't really have much to say about him. Up another 30% on ACHRCC. Oh yeah, that's what's up. Let's real quick. All right, so yeah, we're back here at the trend line. We'll see if they end up holding up or if they end up drilling through. And yeah, IWM definitely did reject at the 200 EMA. Right now they're technically in an uptrend on a 5-minute, so if they could still continue the trend. And another place that we could see more volume is if it wants to touch anywhere in this gray square. So let's see if we get a pullback to that. And yeah. Looking for the same thing on ACHR. This is a higher time frame, but they got a similar one right here. would be another kind of buy up level on ACHR. Yeah, so we're just kind of baby selling off right now. See. See what the biggest winner on the stock market today is. That's not like a penny stock. See, APP is up. It's up like 4% today. Yeah, I think that's like the top mover on my list outside of the PCE. Microsoft at strong resistance. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so Microsoft, yeah, right here at this kind of 430. Why Microsoft decided wanted to take off all of a sudden after all that selling off? Wait, I'm a little confused. So they were at like 414. They sold down to 411. Microsoft kind of makes my brain hurt a little bit. The way it moves. It's not one I particularly like to trade. All right, so here let's go through Moomoo together. See if they have anything good going on Moomoo. Let's kind of look through some stuff. So here, let's see. Set it up here. Let's go through the markets tab. Can I make this bigger? No, I don't think I can. Big discount on Rewards Club. I don't know what that is. I'm going to just stop that right now, though. All right, so yeah, let's look at the overview. So overview, we got the Dow Jones down 0.49. The NASDAQ is up 0.40. S&P 500. It'd be cool if the stock price was like lined up with the S&P 500. And like the futures as well. Yeah, that'd be cool if the stock prices were lined up with that. Let's see, Forex, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Oh, let's see. So crypto, that's an ETF. Oh, so it's a short ETF. I was about to say the only crypto that's up, but okay. So the top crypto right now is something called Walton Chain. Its ticker is WTC. All right, let's look at stocks. All right, here we go. High demand, EC. What's up with EC? Take a quick look. Just curious. Okay, let's get that back up. Where'd it go? Oh, those are dividends. Okay, don't care about that. Okay, so we got, oh yeah, we got Dell and CrowdStrike earnings today. Forgot about that. Earnings beats, Apple, Nvidia, economic calendar. All right, featured list. So we got Nvidia up 0.5%, Tesla. MicroStrategy is down 5% today. SMCI could do without this little. Okay, there we go. Palantir's up half. Top gainers. This is what I want to see. SRPT. Let's see. Okay. NRG. Woodward. Honestly, the top gainer is not even up like a crazy amount today. Pre-market, movers, strong long-term performance. We got Microsoft, Costco, Adobe, 5-minute moves. Let's see. I feel like this is where Brian gets all of his moves. Let's see. Oh wait, hold on. I didn't even look and see what it was. Oh, wrong thing. Let's see. It was